Hello friends, welcome to Gene and Renee Travel Adventures. We so much appreciate you watching our videos. Today we're going to try something a little bit dangerous. Thank you, Nettie V, one of our subscribers who dared us to do this, and so we're going to do it. But first, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and or maybe it's like button and subscribe, and then after you watch the video, hit the share button. We appreciate you helping us to grow our channel. Grandson Andrew is here with us, still in Mexico, and if you go to the grocery store and you think you're just going to buy some hot sauce, you're going to be there all day long because there's just tons of hot sauce. And so we didn't know what to pick, and so I picked three. And you'll notice we have fixed 3 tacos each. Now, the tortillas that I got those at the grocery store, Soriana. And I don't know, somebody makes these things, obviously. But there are 2 coolers at the bakery section to keep them warm. And they are wrapped like this. And as you open up, you see there are a ton of them in there. There are a lot of tortillas. And the price for them was 14 pesos. That's like 68 cents, thereabouts, depending on the exchange rate. But so somewhere between 60 and 70 cents US dollar, you get all these tortillas. I went with the meat, and the meat is flavored with some great stuff. I'll show you a picture of the box in a minute. And then I put yellow cheddar cheese, white cheddar cheese, a little bit of cabbage on there. But here's where I think I'm smart. Andrew only wanted meat and cheese on his. The cabbage, okay, no big deal. But that white stuff on mine is sour cream. And I'm counting on the white sour cream to counteract with some of the heat from some of the sauces. We'll see. You'll notice we have a shot glass here of some milk, and that's if we get into a hot, dangerous situation and we need help. All right, Andrew, since you're the reluctant participant in this today, which one of these delicious hot sauces do you want to try first? Going with the pretty one there, okay. Tell us what is it? What's it about that one?
Has excessive sodium.
Has excessive sodium. Excessive sodium, I'm not worried about. It's excessive caliente heat that I worry about. What's it say down here? Does it say anything about muy caliente or anything like that? No? All right. Hey, piece of cake then. Put some on one of your tacos there and make it pretty. Look up, one drop. Keep going, put some on there, let us know what it's like.
Barely coming out.
It's not coming out. All right, you feel good about that?
Mm-hmm.
I'll reach over here and get my glasses, and let's see if I see anything. Oh, I see the level of heat is medio. So you chose wisely,
Medium.
Grasshopper. So we're gonna do a little bit of the medium heat on there. And I'm not scared of heat, so I'm gonna make sure that every bite I get a little bit of that heat in there.
Yeah, you have fun with that.
Nettie V, we're either gonna love you or hate you after this, but all right. Turn her around and bon appetit. Andrew, you might need a napkin there.
Is it hot?
How is this? If they call this medium heat, this is baby heat. This is nothing. I'm pretty sure your 6-year-old brother could handle this one. Jenny, the poodle, could handle this one. All right, so the Mexico Lindo salsa I guess, 7 Mares. Salsa picante de chile de arbol. Easy. Anybody can do this. All right, Andrew, what's next? He chose this one. I have a feeling that you have jumped over the mild to the really bad one. This looks like buffalo sauce to me. Mexico Lindo, made by the same folks as this one, Mexico Lindo. Mexico Lindo salsa de chile habanero rojo. And must get glasses again. Extra picante.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Ooh. Go for it. Got to squeeze that bottle a little bit. Get some of it on there. Okay.
Next.
Me? There again, I'm not afraid of this. Don't look at the camera. Just kidding. Haha. We're going to put some of it on there. Okay. Nettie, we're going to try it out and let you know what it's like there. I'm going to turn that bottle around there. There again, piece of cake. But then again, I'll put the sour cream on mine, so nothing to it. Feel the need for milk? Or just don't try this at home, kids. Your mother will tell you, don't shove that food in your mouth. Like, how is it? Got a little bit of heat to it. Not bad. Not bad at all.
How was it, Andrew?
It was good.
Which one do you like better?
None of them.
None of them.
Next.
Our contestant has an extra drink there for some reason. I'm not sure why. Mike, let me give you another napkin,
Thank you.
just in case. All right. And so far, I have drunk nothing. Have you drunk anything yet?
Some milk.
Okay, some milk. Okay. Well, we're doing good. You saved the best for last, the Buffalo Classica. Now, I'm not sure if Buffalo Classica is like buffalo sauce in the U.S. or if it's like a barbecue sauce. I don't know. Salsa Picante Classica. And it's got a number 2 up there. Now, I don't know. Number 2 may just mean it's number 2 on the heat scale of 1 to 1 million. So if that's the case, you finished off with a nice little vintage, 1984 vintage Classica here. Anyway, I'm counting that this is no big deal. I may be wrong. It's made by Heinz, evidently.
No.
There it comes.
Jeez, I'm gonna shoot one.
I want to know if it's got any heat to it.
Have fun with that.
Load it up, boy. Cue the theme song for Jeopardy.
No, but-
There you
Oh,
go.
jeez. Yeah, I'm good now.
That's the end you bite off of. Bon appetit, amigo.
hot is it?
It's like barbecue sauce. That really has no more heat than the first one did. That second one had the most heat to it. Evidently, I need to get someone else to do the choosing of the sauces at the grocery store. But, you know, we could also add some green sauce here, some salsa verde, because we know that that is hot.
You can.
I will, just to show that I'm a good sport.
No.
And also the salsa taquiera by Clemente Jacks. Not sure if I'm saying that right or not. That is very spicy, I know that. And so, Nettie, just for you, I'll put a little bit of green on there. I'll put some of this Jack sauce on there. Just like Michael J. Fox in Back to the Future, I have a problem with being called a chicken. The last thing you want to have happen is for that to touch your lips. Nothing to it. I didn't even drink the milk. Maybe I'll drink a little bit of milk. Like I said, nothing to it. Hey, thank you for watching our channel. We appreciate you subscribing, hitting the like button, and sharing this with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. And until then, Dios te bendiga, mi amigos.